Okay, let me just start over. So yesterday we talked about VEDA and why people are doing VEDA or what VEDA is. But today I figured we'd keep the momentum going. So I wanted to share with you how to film. So today I'm gonna show you how to film your videos if you want to vlog or record videos for YouTube. There's a couple different ways that you can do it. If you're gonna be making videos or vlogging, you need to learn. So how did I get started filming? I taught myself. I watched a couple YouTube videos, I figured it out, and now I'm not gonna say I'm a pro, but I'm way better than when I started. I'm gonna show you how I film my YouTube videos. There's two different ways that you can film your videos. The first way is to film continuously. You can film your whole section or all of your sections at one time, and if you mess up, here's a little tip, or in between sections, you want to clap 3 times, and I'm gonna show you why, but it helps with the spikes when you go back to edit your videos, or if you have a video editor, it's gonna help them. This is a really good example of if you mess up. I'll select this clip and I'm gonna show you what happens. But in this video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways, or actually, in this video, do you see these claps right here? You can see the spikes in the sound. And I'll show you again, watch. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways for 3 ways? No. The reason I do this is because if I was editing, I could easily see these spikes. So I would know to cut this immediately. And I would just go in here and I'd cut that out real quick. That's the first thing I would do, is cut out any of those and see what's up. Or actually, in this video, I'm going... So I know that this can be deleted because obviously I did something wrong. The second way that you can film your videos is to film in sections. As they say, the pros film in sections. I'm going to show you how I actually filmed the video in different sections, and then you can see how I put it all together and edit it in the final cut. Why should you vlog every day? Okay, so I actually had my script and I didn't read this, so let me try that again. Section 1, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you would want to vlog every day. We just finished section 1. Now I'm going to film section 2. So the first reason that you're going to want to vlog every day is, of course, to get faster. And when you get faster, you're more natural because you learn how to talk to the camera. Reason number 2 that you want to vlog every day is because you want to be more efficient with your time. Now this is section 4, but reason number 3. Reason number 3 that you might want to vlog every day is to grow and essentially get feedback. So now you know why you should be vlogging every day. The videos are done. Now it's time to edit. So now you know how I filmed that video and a lot of my videos. I mentioned there's 2 different ways. You can either film continuously, clap if you mess up, or in between sections, or you can film in sections. Hopefully this makes sense. Hit the like button below and let me know that it does, or if you have questions, put a comment down. I do read those. But now you know how to actually film your videos, so there's no excuses for not making amazing videos here on YouTube. So I want to see your videos. I'm excited to see what you make. But if you want people to land on your channel, watch your videos, and subscribe, hitting that button, that like button, that subscribe button, sharing your content, then you want to make sure that they understand that you're an actual real YouTube channel. And the best way to do that is to go through my YouTube channel checklist. Make sure you have everything set up, that it looks like a real channel. I went through all this when I started. It was kind of confusing. I didn't understand, like, oh, you should add your social links and here's how to put your header on here. So I put all of that into an amazing checklist. Check out the description below. I'm Brandi of blogginbrandi.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.